How to activate Messenger chat heads on iPhone simply. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, open Messenger and make sure you are logged in. After that, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. From this menu that pops up from the left side, tap on the gear icon next to your name right there. From here, tap on notifications and sounds. Tap on turn on notifications at the top right here. It will take you to the settings. Tap on notifications and make sure to turn on this toggle right here. After that, make sure again that all of your settings that you see in your phone are similar to these ones in this screen right now. After you make sure that is done, quit settings and go ahead and open Messenger again. You'll see this different screen than the ones that you've seen earlier. Make sure this show previous option is turned on, and that is very important. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.